Nikki.
And I'm Nia, and today we're going to demonstrate the concept of static electricity.
We're going to be using some salt, some ground pepper,
A plastic comb, and a wool coat.
Let's see what happens.
So now I'm going to create a mixture of salt and pepper particles on this wool coat. Add some salt to it. Okay. Then we're going to add some of our ground pepper. Okay. And then with my finger, I'm just going to mix them to create like an actual mixture. Okay, I feel like I might need a little more pepper. What do you think, Nia?
Yes, more pepper is needed.
Okay. So we're going to add some more pepper because I don't think I added enough the first time. Ooh, okay. That should be good. So there's our mixture of salt and pepper. And then with this plastic comb and this wool coat, which is 100% wool, I'm going to create a static electric charge by rubbing the plastic on the wool. And then we will observe what happens to the salt and pepper particles when the plastic is brought close to them. So as you can see, both the salt and the pepper particles, which were originally neutral, were attracted to the comb. The pepper particles more so than the salt particles. What happened was, rubbing the plastic with the wool caused the comb to become charged with static electricity.
In other words, there was an excess of electrons left on the plastic comb from the wool.
I'm going to explain what happened a little more specifically, I guess. So pretend that this right here is a grain of pepper. So what happens is we bring this plastic comb, which now has a negative charge due to the wool, we bring it closer to this grain of pepper, which is neutrally charged, meaning it has equal positive and negative charges. So by bringing this negative charge closer to the pepper, the negative charges in the grain of pepper move away from the plastic towards this side of the grain of pepper, leaving an excess of positive charges on this side of the pepper and causing an attraction to the negatively charged comb. Both the salt and the pepper, which are neutral, were attracted to the plastic comb. Since pepper is lighter than salt, it takes less effort for the pepper to overcome the force of gravity.
As a result, there were more pepper particles on the plastic comb than there were salt particles. Both salt and pepper, which are neutral.
Pretend that this right here is a grain of So I'm going to create a mixture of salt and pepper particles. Okay, so first we'll pour out the salt particles.
Oh. There was an excess of electrons left on the plastic comb from the wood. The wood.